What's up, YouTube? It's Eli, and I'm back again on another video. Today for this video, I'm gonna be, showing you guys and explaining how to moisturize your hair. I've been getting a lot of comments and a lot of, DMs on IG asking me how to moisturize my hair. What moisturizers is good? What's the difference between moisturizers and butters? I've been getting a lot of questions, so I'm just gonna answer all of that in this, video here today. And for those of you who've been asking and keep commenting, what's your IG? I leave my IG in every video description that I post, and it's also on the screen. I don't put it in every video, but in the majority of my videos, my IG is on the bottom right side of the screen. So you can follow me there, and you could DM me there to ask me questions, or you could just comment on the video and ask me whatever questions you want. The difference between a moisturizer and a butter is a moisturizer is a water-based product. So if you would pick up any moisturizer that you have and look at the ingredients, one of the first ingredients you're gonna see is water. But they do have water-based moisturizers and oil-based, but the majority of moisturizers are water-based moisturizers. And then if you pick up a butter, you'll see that most of the ingredients is oil. So when you take a dime-sized amount to put in your hair, you put it in your palms and you rub it, you'll see it breaks down easy and quick, and it makes your hands shiny. It breaks down into oil basically. Butters and moisturizers is almost the same thing, except butters is more oil based and butters have just a little bit more hold than moisturizers do. When it comes to picking the best moisturizer, you could just pick one of the most popular ones out there, which is As I Am or Shea Moisture. You want to use something natural. I use As I Am. You got Shea Moisture. You got Cantu. That's not natural, but a lot of people use it. Like, I wouldn't recommend using that. Then you also got your Royal product, and then you also got PB the Goat moisturizer and butter. I currently have his butter. I finished the moisturizer because the moisturizer, it was very light and it was like a good moisturizer, so I finished that quick. But I still have the butter. Today for you guys, I'm gonna be using this Legendary Blueberry Frigo moisturizer. How to apply moisturizers to your hair. So what you do is just basically follow the instructions. It's gonna tell you to take a dime-sized amount. You take as much as you need. When your hair is short, I recommend a dime-sized amount. But when your hair gets a little longer, like, I would recommend you take about a nickel-sized amount, which is a little bit more than a dime size. And you take as much as you need and according to your hair length. That was just some quick tips on how to moisturize your hair. So now I'm gonna unrag and show you guys how my waves is looking. I just did a washing style last night, so I'm gonna unrag right now, and then I'm gonna apply some moisturizer and get a good brush session. So stay tuned. For this moisturizing method, I'm gonna be using 3 brushes. I'm gonna be using this Royalty right here. This is a medium. This is a medium. It has great pull. And then I'm gonna use this. This is a Torino Pro. This is a medium soft. The bristles is very long. And then after that, I'm gonna use my softest brush, which I have right now. And that's this, another Torino Pro. This is a soft brush, my softest brush. The bristles is very long, as you can see. And this doesn't have pull, but it's gonna lay down your hair. It's gonna, lay the frizz down and lay down your hair. This is how I moisturize my hair. If you guys like this video and give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, I really appreciate it. And for those of you who didn't know, I'll be doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. So keep subscribing, keep hitting that notification bell, and stay tuned because I'll be posting more videos. And as always, you guys stay wavy.